200 feet turn right. In 500 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
So this is how it looks like. The countryside of Ireland, and that's the house we are targeting. And then you choose where did you leave it. You take a picture out of it and press completed. And look, we have a sunlight. Again. We have a river here. We have another delivery which is beside us here. It is house number 21. It is not that far away. It is just that I have to drive around the corner. Let's see how it looks like. It is 2.5 hour delivery. I hope I'm gonna finish it in 1.5 hours. I hope so. The next delivery is gonna be 2 boxes. One is small and the other one is, I don't know which size is it, but definitely it's not that big. Alright, let's go. Press start travel.
Navigation started.
And it's gonna take you to the navigation.
300 feet turn left.
It is here around this corner.
In 150 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
Okay, it's this house. And since they are boxes, I keep all the boxes in the back. So I'm gonna open the alright, one is small. I think it might be one of these guys. Right, 51 and 92. 51 and 92. That's 92. That's fine. 51. A parcel that finished with 51, which is that one. And this one keeps slipping. Alright. See, and that's it, both of them. Heavy. This is on your left. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the house. What a nice house. That's it for the second delivery. I'm on my way to the third one, which is not that far away. It is only 5 minutes from here. Press start.
Navigation started. Due southeast. Then in 100 feet turn left onto Tullalish Road.
I'm gonna see you in 5 minutes. I am finishing. I see these 2 deliveries in 9 minutes. So I'm finishing this record because I want to save some power.